We are trying to find the value of this. All right, well, let's mess with that. That looks like something you can factor into two binomials. And sure enough, 3x times 3x gives me 9x squared, and minus 5y times minus 5y gives me positive 25y squared. I made these both minus because I saw that negative. If you check your middle term to see if you get negative 30xy, multiply your insides, and that's negative 15xy. Multiply your outsides, that's negative 15xy. And if you combine those, you get negative 30xy. So I know I have factored correctly. All right, now let's look at our clues. Clue 1 says 3x minus 5y is 20. Okay, well that expression right there is 20. And of course that one's 20, so we know the value would be 400. This clue works. Now, x plus 2 equals 12. I don't have any x plus 2's floating around, so that doesn't work. Only clue 1 works. Your answer is A.